This channel just hit 45,000 subscribers, huge thanks to all of you watching this right now, and we are celebrating it with Minecraft Enhanced Edition that is available right now on your PS Vita. We are checking it out, we are comparing it to the vanilla version, and I'm also showing you how to install it, so let's get cracking! First and foremost, huge thanks to PG team for bringing us yet another amazing mod, it is greatly appreciated. You can see all the credits right now on the screen. I'm glad they keep coming with new mods, cause honestly, even though I'm not really into Minecraft, I'm into mods, and exactly cause of that, I like it. So what it even is Minecraft Enhanced Edition? It is a modification that restores and improves some visual and technical aspects that are missing in the PS Vita version of Minecraft compared to the Bedrock and Java versions. It is based on the 1.83 version of the game, Aquatic Update. The most important updates are as follows. Live area screen has been remade from scratch, intro animation has been updated, HUD and user interface has been completely redesigned, panoramas were updated, added brand new icons, most of the in-game animations were improved. Despite the fact mod requires 1.83 version of the game, all network features work as they should. Now, the biggest advantage of this mod is, in my opinion, that all DLC packs were unlocked. Yes, you heard it correctly. All DLC packs were unlocked. Plus also DLC packs that were not available to the public have been re-added, including DLCs from PG team and other authors. There have been added program art resource pack, if you wanna play with classic textures and music, Vanilla Feel resource pack for Vanilla Feel, Enhanced Additions resource pack with brand new mob models, block animations and styled music, Enhanced Animations resource pack that expands experience with completely new animations for various items and blocks. Plus also mashup packs and skin packs were ported from Xbox 360, Wii U and PS4. These are really great. All the textures have been updated to the most recent of the Java edition. You can see all the details in the changelog. Big changes are also in the music department, which is essential for the proper experience. Added missing music from alpha and beta versions, as well as Aquatic Update, Nether Update, plus many more. Full track list is on the screen. Also guys, if you are enjoying these videos, like and subscribe cause there is certainly more to come. Now to the FAQ. The mod doesn't affect performance unless you use Enhanced Animations resource pack, but this could be easily compensated with overclock, which I would recommend doing cause you don't wanna miss out on any of these enhanced animations. Save states from a regular version are supported, but you need to carry out special procedure that is linked down below. For now it only supports English and Russian language, but with your help, more could be added in the future. Using Vita graphics is not recommended cause it breaks some text and other UI elements, which makes the mod less enjoyable. Now to the installation process. First, you need to delete the game, the unmodified game, if you already have it installed. So, delete it and install latest version of Repatch Reloaded plugin, either manually or via Auto Plugin 2. Then, download 2 zip files, extract them, and move 3 folders to the root of your SD card, UX0. So you're gonna move Games folder, then Repatch folder, and then Re-add-cont folder. Then, final step on your PS Vita, open Vita shell, go to Game folder, press triangle, More, and install folder, and the bubble will miraculously appear on your live area, which means it's all available for you to have a blast with. In my opinion, if you are a Minecraft fan, this is a must install mod. The benefits clearly outweighs the drawbacks. Installation is very simple in few steps. I'm very pleased to see yet another mod to the PS Vita homebrew library. Great job guys, keep it up. You can thank PG team later, and I'm thanking you now for watching. Thanks to channel members and Patreons for support. It helps me greatly even if it's only $1 per month. Have a nice day, I'll catch you in the next one. Do widzenia, do poczucia.